Hi there, welcome to the Field Service Manager application. My name is Julie and I'm the application administrator. As the administrator, it's my job to set up the application for the employees to start having access to it. The first thing that I need to do is to set up the runbook information. To set up my runbooks, I would simply need to click on Runbook Admin. Then select Runbooks. To add a new runbook, click on Add Runbook. The application would prompt you to give a project name. Once you're satisfied with the information given, simply click on Save here at the bottom right corner of your screen. To set up my task deliverables, I would need to click on the deliverables. To add a new deliverable, I would click on Add Deliverables. I would select the runbook associated with this deliverable. For this video, I'll select Track 3. I would enter the task information, the to-dos for that task before clicking on Save. The next thing that I would need to do is to set up my post installations. To add a new post installation, simply click on Post Installation. You would need to select a runbook associated with this post installation. For this video, I'll select Track 5. You'd need to give your post installation a title, add the post installation description, then click on Save. Once my runbook admin setup has been completed, the next step would be for me to create a knowledge base. Your knowledge base is a library of information that your employees can always refer back to for help. To add a new knowledge base, I would simply need to click on Add Knowledge Base. I'd give my knowledge base article a topic, the knowledge base description, and attachments. You're able to attach any files or photos, an image URL, YouTube videos, or upload an existing video. Once I'm satisfied with my knowledge base contents, I'll simply need to click on Save here at the bottom right corner of my screen. The Black Box Support module allows my technicians to launch a live meeting with support in case of an emergency. To create a Black Box Support, I would need to click on the Black Box module. To add a new Black Box Support, simply click on Add Black Box Support. The application would set up a meeting link for me, and I would need to click on Save. The Sites module is a registry of all the site locations where different jobs and tasks can be performed. To set up the sites, I would need to click on the Sites module. To add a new site, simply click on Add Site. You would need to enter a site ID, the site name, then select a runbook associated with that site. You can enter the contact information. This is the contact person, their email, and contact number. I would also need to enter my site information. Once that's done, I would need to enter the geolocation for that site. This is very important as employees would use the geolocation to check in and out of the site once a job has been completed. Once I've entered all of this information, I would simply need to click on Save here at the bottom right corner of my screen. Once I've completed the admin setup, I would need to give the employees access to the application. To do this, I would need to click on the Employees module. I would click on Add Employees, then enter the employee's email. I can choose to add the employee's photo, their mobile number, and employee information. There are certain employee types within the application: technician, coordinator, and project manager. Depending on the employee's role within the company, I'll select one of the 3 employee types. In this instance, I'll be inviting a technician to the application. Once I've entered all the necessary information, I'll simply need to click on Save, enable login access for the employee, and the employee would then need to follow the prompts sent to their email to have access to the application. Hi there, welcome to the Field Service Manager application. My name is Bridget and I'm a project manager. As the project manager, it's my job to create and assign jobs to different technicians. My dashboard gives me access to different KPI information. This includes new jobs, jobs that have been approved, and jobs that have been completed. The Schedules module allows me to create schedules for jobs that I would like to be performed in future. To create a new schedule, simply click on Add Schedule. I would need to select a site. In this instance, I'll choose Test Site. I would need to fill out my job template. I would give this job a title, assign a technician, then select a due date. Once I'm satisfied with the information given, I'll simply click on Save. I'm able to create reminders or schedules on a daily, weekly, monthly, or yearly basis. All the participants added to the schedule will receive a notification when the time arises. To save my schedule, I'll simply need to click on Save and the schedule will be saved accordingly. The Jobs module allows me to add and create new jobs. To add a job, simply click on Add Jobs. I'll select the site where the job will be performed. You can choose from one of the existing sites or add a new site record. In this instance, I'll be choosing the demo video site. I would give the job a title, assign a technician, and select a due date. Once satisfied with the information given, I'll simply click on Save. The selected technician will receive a notification informing them of the job that has been assigned.
Hi, my name is Michael Bolt, and I'm a field technician working for AGC Blackbox. A new job has been assigned to me by the Blackbox team. I've received an email notification outlining the job details as well as the site details. On my mobile device, I've also received a push notification outlining that a new job has been assigned to me. If I click into the job menu and then click into the job assigned to me, I'll be able to see all the details of this job, as well as some options below where I can add my tasks, post-installation checklist, and my check-in. The first step for me to do would be to check in. In order for the check-in to be successful, it is vital that I am at the customer site. Since I am at the site, I'll click Save and my check-in will be successful. If I go into the record, I'm able to see the timer below associated with the check-in. The next step would then be to complete the tasks. Each task comes in the form of a deliverable. We will complete our deliverables sequentially, starting with number 1, tool requirements. Inside the task, we can click on the checkbox and the details of what to do for that particular deliverable will appear. For this deliverable, we have to snap a photo of all the tools required for the job. Once the task is saved, a notification would be sent to the coordinators. After completing various tasks, notifications would be sent back to the coordinators where they can review each task for approval. After the coordinator reviews all the tasks and approves them, the job status will then be changed to approved. After completing all the deliverables in my task section, the next step would then be to complete a post-installation checklist. In the post-installation checklist, I'd select the post-installation and then the checklist details would appear below. After checking everything, I would then add any comments I have and obtain the store contact's signature. Using the whiteboard feature, I'd obtain the signature directly on my mobile device. I'd then save the record, indicating that the post-installation checklist has been completed. After completing the post-installation checklist, I can then go ahead and check out of the site. After checking out, the job would then be completed.
Hi there, my name is Bridget and I'm a coordinator. As a coordinator, it's my duty to oversee tasks and jobs performed by technicians. One of my technicians, Michael Bold, has just been assigned a job. I would need to approve or reject the job depending on the work that has been done. To gain access into the various jobs, I would need to click on the Jobs module, select the job I'll be reviewing, and here I'll be able to see the job information, the tasks, post-installation, and other information. While the technician is working on the job, the status is always set to new. I would need to change the status to either approved or rejected depending on the work that has been done. The Tasks module allows me to take a look at the tasks that the technician is working on relating to the various jobs. I'm able to change the status of each task to either approved or rejected depending on the work that has been done. To take a look or review a task, I would simply need to double-click on that task, and a details window will open up. I would review the task before changing the status to approved. To change job status, I would simply need to click on the edit icon and change the status accordingly. Once I'm satisfied with the information given, I'd simply need to click on Save. As my technician is working on the various tasks, I would get notified of their progress. Once task 3 is completed, the job status is automatically changed to pending approval. The post-installation checklist allows me to review the post-installation activities. I'd simply double-click on the post-installation to see the details. Once everything stored on the post-installation checklist is satisfactory, I'm able to change the job status to approved. I'll need to click on the details window, scroll down, select the edit icon, and approve the job. The technician would get notified that the job has been approved, and they are able to check out of the site.